Hi friends, welcome to the class on beta calculation. This small video has been created for the people who are preparing for exams. In exam, you'll be given two numbers, one which is called the closing price of the portfolio or the stock or the index, and the closing price of the stocks, right? First step that you have to doing is you have to calculate the returns of the portfolio as well as the stock for all the intervals. How to calculate that? It is very simple. Present day's closing price minus previous day's closing price whole divided by previous day's closing price becomes the method of calculation. Let me just repeat it. Today's closing price minus the previous day's closing price whole divided by the previous day's closing price. If I would like to use the same, I get the returns of portfolio. Similarly, when I calculate the returns of the stock, today's closing price minus previous day's closing price whole divided by previous day's closing price, you get the returns. I'm gonna drag the same. Right? Next is nothing but return of x into return of y. I did it reverse, but multiplication you get the same answers. Last one is return of x whole square, or it is nothing but return of x into return of x. I get the results of it. I'm going to do sum of them, which is called summation. Okay. Now I'm going to drag it to the remaining ones, so I get the answer. Now let's look at what all we have done, and as per the formula what we require. These are all what you have done. Summation of x is calculated, summation of y is calculated, summation of xy is done, and summation of x whole square is done. So let's start calculating beta. Number of observations n would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is not these because we are calculating from here, so the number of observation will be these numbers. 4 into summation of xy minus summation of x into summation of y whole divided by bracket, again 4 into summation of x square minus summation of x into summation of x. So I get beta as 0.6. It means if the portfolio returns are 1 rupee, stock returns will be around 0.6, right? So the remaining part you can understand from the text itself. Thank you and happy learning.